Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and today we'll be modeling a simple chair in Blender. The commands we will be using include basic transformations like scaling, moving, adding loop cuts, extruding, adding another object, using the array modifier, and finally joining the objects. I'm using Blender 4.4, but let's say if you're using a below version of Blender or a future version of Blender, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to Blender. So first of all, I will delete all these. Press X to delete. Now I will press Shift A and then I will include cube. Select the cube, press S to scale, and then press Z so that your scaling transformation will be done only in Z axis. I will scale it down. So this will act as your seed base. Let's go to edit mode, and here I will add some loop cuts. The shortcut for adding loop cuts is Ctrl plus R, or you can simply go to here and then you can find out this command here, loop cut. So I will press Ctrl R. So here you can see the preview of loop cut. I will add one loop cut, let's say here. I will press Ctrl R again. I will add one loop cut, let's say here. Press Ctrl R again. I will add one loop cut, let's say here. And lastly, I will add one loop cut in this direction up to here. Okay. Let's select face mode. You can select face mode using 3. So I will press 3 from my keyboard. And now you can see the selection from vertex mode is changed to face mode. You can add 1 for vertex, 2 for edge, and 3 for face selection mode. So I will select these 4. Press shift button. In fact, hold shift button to select multiple selections. And now you can see that I have 6 selections. These 4 will be seat legs and these 2 will be back post. Let's go to extrude. Just hold mouse left button so that you can see, and I will select this one, Extrude Individual. I will drag in the upward direction, maybe up to here. Okay. Now we will create back cross rail. So let's go to here, object mode, and press shift A. I will add a mesh. You can add a plane mesh or cube mesh. If you are adding a plane mesh, then you have to add thickness. But here I am adding a cube mesh. I will scale it down in the Z axis. So I will press S and then Z. Then I will press S again. Scale in the Y direction. Scale it down. Then I will go to one of the orthographic view. I will press G for grab, and I will place it somewhere here. I will scale it down in the x-axis, and I will go to here move command and I will move it maybe somewhere here. Now we will add array modifier. So let's go to here modifier, and I will search for array modifier, and here you cannot see array modifier, so I will search array. Basically it will create multiple instances of your object, and you can see this is the wrong direction, so I will write 0 in the x factor. I need its multiple copies in the z direction, so I will write 1, and number of counts, let's say, would be 6, and basically this is the spacing, so I will go with 5. You can see it is not correct, so I will change it to 3. You can see it is not correct, so I will change it to 3.5, and you can move this. Okay, now I will apply this modifier. You can see this is a separate object and this is also a separate object. Now I have to join these, so I will select this object, hold shift button. I will select this object, I will right click, and I will select this command join. Now these two objects are combined or are merged, as you can see. You can add its multiple copies. Press shift T. You can rotate it, let's say in the Z direction, maybe like this. You can rotate this chair as well in the Z direction. like this. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.